Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another daily what I ate in a day. It's not like the fancy what I ate in a days. It's the kind where I sit down and I tell you what my carbs were and I tell you what my fats were and all that great jazz. So let's get started. So I will pop it up either right here or right here. Not sure where here or there is. Wherever there's room, I'm popping it up. Anyways, how are you guys doing today? Let me know down below. I'm almost to 1,000 subs. But no, that doesn't mean that I'll be monetized, as I'm not even to 1,000 watch hours yet. Close, no cigar. Let's see. Let's open up my carb manager. I think I want to fast tomorrow. And the reason I say that is because I weighed in this morning, and I know it's probably just like water, retaining water and all that, but I weighed in this morning at 251.4. Now my lowest was on, was that Sunday morning or Saturday morning? It was Saturday morning. My lowest was 247.8. So I was pretty excited about that, but then the next day I woke up and I was 249, and then this morning I was at 251.4. Now, I know your body holds on to moisture. Yeah, your body holds on to moisture. I know your body holds on to fluids, and I mean, I didn't do anything differently. If anything, I actually ate less that day. I made good choices. I don't know. It just happens. It happens. And that's why some people don't weigh themselves every day. I, on the other hand, I want to know what my body is doing. And it's not for everybody weighing yourself every day. Some people, it drives them crazy. For me, it lets me know if I need to do fasting and just basically what I need to do. So, yeah, I weighed in at 251.4. I know probably tomorrow or the day after I'll be back in the 240s, and that's okay. If you can see this, it's just like a white, come on now, can you see? Let me see. You can't see, but can you see it? There it is. So you see how it goes all crazy? That is weight loss. That's what weight loss looks like. So let's get into the foods anyways. Okay, so my foods today, can I make that show it again? Whoop, there it is. 2 grams left. These are the macros. I'm still gonna put this up on the, I think, or maybe I'll just leave it like this. So yeah, no, we'll just pop it up, okay. So anyways, I had 19 carbs. I had 142 grams out of 135 grams of fat. I went over a little bit. I had 105 grams of protein out of 97 grams. Again, I went over a little bit, but I think it's all right. It's okay. It's acceptable for me. And I had 1,846 calories out of 1,692. Now, I drastically changed my calories. They were 1,900, and I used a calculator which told me they should be 1,692, so I'm trying it out. I'm not going to be mad if I'm a little bit over them, because I'm just not going to be mad. I've got to get used to it. So I'm okay with that. So for breakfast, which I don't know why, I just really wanted to try it. It was a Power Bar by it was Power Bar, that was the brand name, Clean Whey protein bar that I picked up at Walgreens. It was like $1.35 or something. I seen it and it was on clearance, and I wanted to try it. It was 5 carbs, and I mean, I think I like the Quest ones better. It didn't have much of a flavor. It was kind of a weird texture, but it wasn't bad, and it was much cheaper than a Quest bar. Besides that, I had my bulletproof coffee, which, if you don't know by now, I just tend to put 1 tablespoon of MCT oil and 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and then a splash of either some sort of sugar-free sweetener or like 4 packets of stevia. For lunch, I had my little meal prepped bag with my little 7 cubes of the cheddar cheese. I had like 4 or 5 slices of cucumber, about 4 snap pea pods, and about 1 radish cut up small. I also had 1 of the little servings of the Aldi sunflower seeds, which is about a 1/4 cup. And I went to Wendy's and I got the son of a Baconator plain with no bun. For dinner, at which all of that was 6 carbs. For dinner, I had a nice big taco salad. I had about 1/2 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of chopped romaine. I had 5 grape tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 whole Hass avocado, a tablespoon of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 little portobello mushroom chopped up, 2 tablespoons of salsa, a 1/4 cup cut of the sirloin steak that I had cooked in the air fryer last night, and then about 1/2 cup of the taco meat that I had also meal prepped last night. So that was my dinner. It was a nice big dinner that I washed down with one of these beautiful blueberry Diet Cokes. I absolutely love these. They are so good. So that was that, and that was 7 grams. So you can kind of get an idea. I have a hard time not having my coffee in the morning, and just drinking it so straight is hard. I know that the Countess of Low Carb said that you can put a tiny bit of whipping cream in your black coffee and it won't break a fast. I think that I will try that tomorrow morning, just a tiny bit, just so it's just not pure black coffee that's way too like just bitter nastiness for me. But I would like to try to fast tomorrow and see how long I can fast. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys about is to check out my friend's channel. She doesn't have any content yet, but she is in the works, and her name is Keto Jinx. I'll link her down below. She's really awesome. She's been a follower of mine for a little while now, and she's really wanted to start her own channel, and I am supporting her in her journey, and I hope you guys can too. So go show Jinx your love, and I will see you guys tomorrow with an Aldi keto haul, and then of course my nightly cap. Bye guys. Make good choices.